Thanks for supporting me and joining for online tutorials. I very happy that more than 10 people are joined for online tutorials from outside the India as well. I'm very thankful for them. So let's get started. In this tutorial, we will be talking about a sieve command. I hope you know about the sieve command. Sieve is nothing but a join. So it will join the sheets. Suppose if you have a 2 or more number of sheets, you can join them. So for example, I will just show you. Let's go into the Sketcher environment. So I will just go to Sketcher environment and select a plane, click OK. So let's make a sheet, and this be my one of the sheet, and let's extrude it. So I'm just selecting this, let it extrude. Okay, now I will make one more sheet. So let's go to the same plane and let's make another. So I will just extrude this as well. So as you can see here, there are two sheets with us now, but these two sheets are independent. As you can see here, let's make this settings boolean operation. Okay. Sorry guys, I'll just delete this and I'll just do one more time extrude, and let's make this as a single curve. So okay, so I'll just give the symmetric, and let's see now these are two different sheets. These are not united. So in suppose if you want to run an edge blend here, it is not possible. Suppose I will just go to edge blend. Let's select edge blend, and you can see here we cannot able to pick the edge because sheet are different, so they are independent. So let's for in this case what we have to do is we have to sieve the two surfaces. Sieving is nothing but joining. So just go to sieve command and target and tool, just select these two bodies and click OK. Now this is a complete single sheet. So on this you can able to create an edge blend if you want. You can see here now it is pickable. So you can give whatever the edge blend you want and click OK. So this is the one case where you can use the sieve command. There is one more way, one more important situation where you can use the sieve command. Sieve command will also, what it will do is it will convert the sheet metal into the solid body. So wherein only case is it should be completely closed. Suppose for example, I'll show you. Suppose there are two sheets. I'll just delete this edge blend. Okay, let's delete this as well. As you can see here, there are two sheets and I'm going to sieve these. Let's give tool and target and give apply. Click OK. As you can see here, when you give the apply, there will be an boundary generated here. A line with a chocolate colors or brownish color, the line is generated. This is nothing but the given sheet is open. So once you view refresh, it will be gone. So in this case, suppose if you want to make a solid body, the sheet should be closed. I will show you how we can do that. So let's go to Sketcher environment again and let's select this plane, click OK. As you can see here, we have this sheet and this sheet. Let's close this sheet by using one more curve. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we have this, and you can see here there are two faces which are still open. You can see here the left and right side still it is open. So what I will do is I will just go to bounded plane I have already discussed about bounded plane in the previous tutorial. Just go to that and you can find it. Go to surface and you can see the bounded plane here. So now what I will do is I will just select my bounded plane. Okay, sorry guys, it is connected curve. Let's go to single curve and close, select this. As you can see here, once it is selected, it will close the entire sheet. So in the same way I will do on the other side as well. So let's go to bounded plane and select the edges. Okay, now as you can see here, my sheet is completely closed. It is now closed. There is no open curve. So now what I will do is I will just do the save command. So once you go to save command, and I will select all the sheets by dragging here. As you can see here, now all the sheets are created. So when you give apply and do this, and now we will check what will be there inside. In order to check inside, I'll just go to edit clip. So you can see here edit section. You can see here the inside it is solid now. This has become solid. So once if you are using a save command, if the sheets are completely closed, when you do save command, the solid will be created. Suppose if you don't have a completely closed, suppose you can see here this side it is open. Now I will give a surface and save command. I'll select everything and I'll click apply. As you can see here, this is your open. It will show that this section as you are looking at, it will be open. So once you close this, then you will be able to create a closed surface, solid surface, solid body. You guys, this is all about save command. Please stay tuned for all other tutorials. Thank you.